So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Barbie Chatterjee here with you guys, and yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go do check out over there. And also this is a very beautiful butterfly kind of look which I have done. Like, I wanted to experiment a little bit. So yeah, if you do like my video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So the first thing I have done is already done my brows and primed up my eyelids, and now with this help of this blue liner, like first I'm going to use a concealer to shape up my brows and also as my eyelid primer to prep my eyelid for the upcoming eyeshadows. Sorry guys, don't mind the lighting this time. Please adjust this time. Next time of course it will be better. So yeah, I'm going to use this light blue shade from the palette and taking it a little bit away from my inner corners. I am going to first shape it up. So I am actually shaping it right now. So I am going to take it a little bit above my crease, as I already have hooded eyes, and if I do it exactly on my crease, then the line is not going to be visible. So now I'm like winging it out. I'm going to take it a little bit further outside my brows. As you can see, I have done on my other eye. Black gel liner, and I am going to carve out that line. I'm going to use this liner to carve out on top of the line which I did with a blue eyeshadow. Some micellar water on a q-tip, I am going to clean its edges, and I'm again going to apply the concealer so that the colors like get placed nicely or get their whole pigmentation. So I am using the concealer again just because I want this line to be proper and really sharp. So I just wiped away the excess of everything, and now I'm cleaning it with an eyeshadow brush and again prepping my eyelids. Using this lighter blue shade first, what I'm going to do is, I didn't have a more lighter blue, so I'm going to mix this light blue shade with a white shade in the palette and apply that in the inner corner. So I am using three kind of shades over here. So the first is a very light blue, which actually I'm mixing the light blue and the white shade. The next shade which I'll be using is the sky blue, which I showed you. So I'll be placing it in the middle, and the next shade will be the darker blue in the palette, which I will be placing at the very end of my eyes, like on the outer view of my eyes. It will be actually the wing of my eyes, so the wing portion will be a little bit darker. So as you can see, I'm now taking the white shadow and putting it on top of the sky blue shade which I just applied to make it a little bit lighter, because I didn't have a lighter blue shade than that. looks blended out and not patchy. So I'm just blending out the shades with each other. Next I'm going to use the Stay Quirky liner. This is in the shade Badass Black, and then again carve out that line with this black liner so that it looks more, you know, sharp and more jet black, because like after I did my eyeshadows, like I patted my eyeshadows, the liner has slightly faded, as you can see, because I patted some eyeshadow also on top of the liner. So as you can see, I'm making the liner a little bit thick because I need to create those white dots. So I'm also lining my upper lash line and also connecting the wing, like I'm drawing the shape of my eyes, which I had drawn with the eyeshadow earlier. So I'm just replicating that, and as you can see, the lines are a little bit thicker. So in this kind of butterfly look, if you want to create this look, so you need to make some thicker lines. And now I'm kind of drawing semicircles at the very end of my wing. I'm drawing 2 semicircles, and then I'm just going to connect it with 2 straight lines, and make sure these lines also have to be thicker, because otherwise like it wouldn't replicate the wings of a butterfly. I'm laughing so much. So yeah, I'm just making small semicircles throughout my crease, and I'm just going to fill them up with a black liner. So this is how I did on my other eye too. All the shadows are same except the colors. So yeah, the color variation is same. So if you also want to look out for the green one, it's on my Instagram. So I'm going to use this Stay Quirky's white liner and just put dots all over the black liner. So the green liner look is already up on my Instagram, so I'll be putting a link in the description box down below if you want to go ahead and check out my Instagram. Also, I said it in my intro, so yeah, do check it out. Then I'm using these blue shades again from the palette, and I am going to apply that on my lower lash line. This black gel liner so that it gets connected, and then I'm going to use this Maybelline Push Up Drama Falsies mascara, and I'm going to apply that on my lashes. And then for my lashes, I'm going to use the Pack M73 lashes. It's a very beautiful lash. And then for lipstick, I'm using this Lakme 925 lip plus cheek color in the shade Soft Cocoa, or it's Cocoa Light. I'll be mentioning everything in the description box down below, so do check it out. And the base makeup which I have done over here is also there on my Instagram, so yeah, do check out my Instagram for some good posts.